everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel EnglishVinglish. So in today's video we are going to discuss about two modals, that is may and might, and we are going to discuss about their usage as well. So first we need to understand where do we use might or may. Now may or might discusses the possibility of something that is going to happen in a situation, जिसमें आप एक तरह से possibility की बात करते हो कि शायद ये चीज़ हो सकती है या शायद मैं वहाँ जा सकता हूँ. So शायद is a possibility. Now might is a past tense of may. You've read about the second tense, third tense. So may का जो second tense होता है, that is past tense, that is might. To decide which one to use, we need to see the tense of a sentence. That is कि आपको अपने sentence के अंदर आपको verb देखना है and verb वो किस tense में आ रहा है, चाहे वो past tense में आ रहा है, present tense में आ रहा है. So आपको उसको recognize करना है और उसी के accordingly you have to use may or might. Now here are some examples. He may call after the game. So in this sentence, if you can clearly see call is a verb, it's an action verb and it is in present form, and that is why I have used may instead of might. Similar in next example, I may get into Harvard. So Harvard is the name of a university, and in this sentence get is the verb, it is in present tense, and that is why I have used may. Now why do we use may or might? ऐसी क्या ज़रूरत पड़ती है हमें इन दो modals की? May is used when there is something likely to happen, जिसकी possibility ज़्यादा होती है होने की, chances ज़्यादा होते हैं, that is when we use may. And might हम तब use करते हैं जब कोई भी चीज़ होने की happen होने की possibility कम होती है as compared to the situation in might. Now whenever we ask for a permission, we use may or might. For example, may I use the restroom? Whenever you go to the washroom, you use may. Might she ask you something? Now this means हो सकता है कि वो तुमसे कुछ पूछे. So that is possibility क्या है, बहुत कम है, that is why I've used might. May I go to the room? Might I read when you are done? So these are few examples where you can distinguish where to use may and where to use might. Here are some other examples that I have listed here. I might see you tomorrow. It looks nice, but it might be expensive. It's quite bright. It may not rain today. You may not go. You may come at 11 if you wish. I hope the video was helpful. If there is any particular topic you want me to cover, kindly comment down in the section below. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.